Do you know that 90% soil will be degraded and become lifeless by 2050? Organic matter content is an indicator of soil health, and it is about 2.5 to 3%. In most part of India, it is less than 0.5%. The health of the soil is degrading day by day due to extractive farming practice, burning and removal of crop residue, excessive tillage, flood-based irrigation, and usage of pesticides and chemical. That's why we at Amiha Agro implement regenerative agriculture techniques to cultivate cotton and other products in our farms. We believe in rejuvenating ancient purity through climate-smart agriculture. We want to promote green investment through sustainable agriculture, committed to infuse quality and excellence in the developmental initiatives through sustainable agriculture with the concept of soil to sale.
We are trying to contribute in the sustainable development goal given by United Nations, and we are proudly saying that out of several sustainable goals, we are contributing almost 70 to 75% of the sustainable development goals of United Nations.
We are the team of 100 plus team members, 30% of women with various expertise and gender balance. In 100,000 plus land of hectares, our 50,000 plus farmers and 2.5 lakhs of individuals are cultivating mainly sustainable cotton, spices, rice and wheat. Our farmers are located at Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar and Odisha.
मी 8 वर्षापासून सेंद्रिय शेती करीत आहे. मला सेंद्रिय शेतीमुळे थोडा चांगलाच फायदा मिळाला आहे आणि दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे रासायनिक खताच्या शेतीमुळे आम्ही पहिले थोडं खर्चाच्या यानं शेतीमध्ये मायनस आलो होतो आणि आम्हाला चांगलं प्राधान्य नव्हतं मिळत, म्हणून आम्ही सेंद्रिय शेतीमुळे थोडा आम्हाला फायदा पण मिळाला. आमची शेती पण सुपीक आहे, शेती पण चांगली आहे आणि सगळ्या गोष्टींमध्ये मला सेंद्रिय शेती ही चांगली आवडलेली आहे आणि म्हणून मी सेंद्रिय शेतीकडे वळलो आहे.
From farm to fashion, we apply our techniques in the growth of planet, people. We are building a community where everyone gets profit, including farmers, fiber suppliers, retailer, finished product producer and nature. We used Regenerative methodology for our every product cultivation. Regenerative draws down carbon, reserves water, enhances soil quality, improves vitality of land, reduce synthetic inputs. Final goal of Amiha Agro: green farming practice, climate clean cotton, traceable and transparent supply chain, women in cotton, capacity building, upcoming youth, secure future, sustainable business model, farm to fashion.